guys, so this is how we're going to be doing homework this year, and this is an example that we're going to do in class together today. Alright, so this video is on relating integers and their opposites. Alright, so what you did in class. And think about this as if we were home. This is a recap and preview for tomorrow's lesson. So, 4 and -4 are opposites, so they combine to make 0. And today we talked about what that looks like on the number line. So if I go 4, I'm moving in the positive direction. And then if I'm going -4, I'm moving in the negative direction, which is to the left. So this is true for any integer. Any integer and its opposite will always combine to make 0. So -508 and +508. They are opposite, so they make 0. Alright, so let's take a look at our examples. Marcus dives from the surface of the ocean to a reef 18 meters below sea level. Okay? So what integer represents Marcus's location? So where did he go? So he went 18, and did he go above or below? And that's going to tell us our integer if it's positive or negative. So this is below, so he went -18. Alright, so that means he went down 18. So how far does Marcus have to go to return to the surface? So if I drew a picture, and this is my ocean, and he went down 18, how much does he have to go to get back to the top? Alright, so think about our opposites. He would need to go back a full 18 to get back to where he started. So let's put that in a complete sentence. Great. Alright, let's try it again. So the temperature of the water in Emily's fish tank was 78 degrees on Sunday. The water temp changed by -3 degrees on Monday, and then +3 degrees on Tuesday. What integer represents the temperature change? Alright, let's figure it out. Okay, so I'm going to draw this at the bottom. So Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Alright, so on Sunday we started at 78 degrees. And then on Monday, it says it went down 3. And then on Tuesday, it says it went up 3. Okay, so what was the new temperature on Monday if it went down 3? That would be 75 degrees. And then if it went back up 3, it would be 78. So we already answered the question at the bottom. What was the temperature at the end of Tuesday? On Tuesday, our temperature is 78 degrees. Okay, so how much did it change is the first question. How much did it change? So from Sunday to Tuesday, how much did it change? If it started at 78 and it ended at 78, how much did that change? What integer is that? Okay, and it is 0. It changed 0 degrees over time. Alright, example 3. The scores of a player on a golf team are shown in the table. The team's combined score was 0. What was Travis's score? So now we're stepping it up a little bit. It says this whole thing is 0. So if I had -3, +3, 1, and 4, and then Travis's score, all of these together are going to make 0. So let's think. What do we know about opposites? Do we see any opposites already? Yes, we do. We see these two are opposites. So they already form 0. So now I have to figure out what else forms 0. Okay, so these two together make 5. So what does this number in the box need to be if I want it to be opposite and cancel to 0? What is the opposite of 5? -5. So Travis' score is -5. All right, last one, and this is a science example. So science and math, always related, so let's see how. In order for an atom to have a 0 charge, every proton must have a charge of +1 and must be matched with an electron which has a charge of -1. If a helium atom has 2 protons and 2 electrons, why does it have a 0 charge? Okay, so it's telling us that it cancels out. Why does it cancel out? Okay, it is 0 because 2 protons is +2 and 2 electrons is -2. And what do we know about opposites? They cancel. Alright, so that is it for this video. We are going to practice this again tomorrow.